Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the question same tree. So what does the question say? It says that given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are same or not. Two binary trees are considered same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. I think it's a pretty obvious question which is trying to say that a tree is identical if the nodes, the value, the structure is exactly same as one another. For example, in example we can see that for here 1, our second binary tree also has its node at 1. For node 1 we see the left uh, node, so it's 2, and for the second binary tree the left node is also 2. Similarly, it has 3, it's 3, means we have these two binary trees are identical to each other. Now let's look at the second example. Now we can say that okay, the root nodes are equal, but on the left of the root node of the first binary tree we are seeing that the node is second, whereas for the root node of second binary tree we are seeing that the left node is null, which means that this here the left node is not is equals to right node. Here the left node of the first binary tree is not is equals to left node of the second binary tree, which means the answer is false. Now let's look at the third example. Okay, we can see that both have the same node. Okay, this level is cut out. Now in the second level we see that the leftmost node is 2, whereas in the second binary tree the leftmost node is 1. So yeah, it's not equal. So let's write the example, write the code. So first of all I would like to write some base conditions, that if p is equals to null, sorry p is equals to null and q is equals to null. What this means is both are empty, which means both are equal, so we will just return true. This will also act as a important condition in our recursion. Now the second condition is that if p is null or q is null, this is trying to say that or we also need to make sure that p is not is equals to q, meaning that dot value, okay, so I need to make value which means that uh, we need to check if either of p is null or q is null, or if both are different. If they are both are different, then it states that the two binary tree are not same, because both values are not even equal. So yeah, we'll just gonna return false for this case. Now at the end I'm just gonna return a recursive call, that is I'll copy the name of the function. No, I will actually copy the whole function, and I will pass the parameters p dot left and q dot left. What this will do is check the leftmost node of any of subtree of p with the leftmost node subtree of q. It will basically compare each other whether they are equal or not. If during recursion at some point they reach this value, that is the value of p is not is equals to value of q, then we will return false and the whole answer will be false. Similarly we need to do for right as well. So and I will do exactly the same for right as well. Here it is. So let's run the code. Okay, we are getting an error. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to use these instead of dot. It's a mistake of mine. I'll fix it now. Here also at the right we have this mistake. Okay, let's now try to run now. Okay, I'm making so much mistakes. Yeah, it ran. So let's try to submit it. So yeah, it worked. So yeah, the answer was pretty simple. So thank you for watching. Bye.